Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce emotional eating with Talkspace, detailed guide step by step clearly. Emotional eating can be a challenge, but there are ways to manage it effectively. The first step is to identify your triggers. Take some time to reflect on situations where you find yourself reaching for food out of emotion rather than hunger. Common triggers include stress, sadness, boredom, or even happiness. Once you recognize these triggers, you can begin to address them. The next step is to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness helps you stay present and aware of your emotional state. Try to pause before eating and ask yourself if you are truly hungry or if you're feeling an emotion. If you find that you are not hungry, explore other ways to cope with that emotion. Journaling can be a helpful tool in this process. Write down your feelings and thoughts before and after you eat. This can provide insight into your emotional eating patterns and help you find healthier alternatives. Another effective strategy is to develop a support system. Reach out to friends or family members who can offer understanding and support. If you prefer, consider speaking with a licensed therapist through Talkspace. Therapists can provide valuable strategies tailored to your specific needs. Creating a list of alternative activities can also be beneficial. When you feel the urge to eat emotionally, refer to this list and choose an activity that helps you cope. Consider exercise, meditation, or a hobby as alternatives to eating. Tracking your eating habits can further enhance your awareness. Record what you eat, when you eat, and your emotions at that time. This data can help you spot patterns and make more mindful choices in the future. Finally, practice self-compassion. Recognize that everyone struggles with emotional eating at times. Allow yourself to feel without judgment and take small steps toward change. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly reduce emotional eating. Utilize Talkspace to guide you on this journey, and remember that change takes time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.